If you love chicken, do select a bird that has been raised carefully and preferably free-ranged for the best flavour and texture. This video shows you how to joint a chicken and also how to flatten a chicken breast ready for a fast saute or grill. Twist the leg backwards, cut around the exposed ball joint and sever the leg. Make sure you don't ignore the fleshy bit at the top of the leg, which is called the oyster. The leg divides into the thigh and the drumstick. You need to locate the ball and socket joint. Feel with your fingers. You will be able to slice through it with minimum effort. The thigh is a wonderful joint, excellent for making curries or little roasts. Drumsticks are also good roasted and, if marinated, are a popular choice for the barbecue. Trim the wing off by separating through the shoulder joint, or leave the wing attached to the breast section. The wing section on a roast chicken is one of my favourite bits. Now we deal with the breast. Cut carefully down the breastbone using a heavy knife or poultry shears. Turn the chicken over, cut either side of the backbone. Use the backbone for making stock. Never ever throw it away. You should chop it once or twice to allow the marrow to be released, which will enrich the stock. The breast fillets can be roasted just as they are, on the bone. However, here we show how to bone the breast sections. Slice the meat cleanly away from the rib section. All the bones extracted will be added to the stockpile. The breast fillet can be cooked with the skin on, but is often skinned so that the pure breast meat can be diced, minced, added to pies or pâtés, or as here, flattened, ready to be sautéed or grilled. On the underside of the breast fillet, you will see an attached thin section known as the tenderloin. Open the tenderloin outwards, thus creating a heart-shaped piece of chicken meat. Put the chicken meat carefully into a plastic bag, keeping its shape. Use the flat side of a meat mallet or a proper cutlet bat and gently flatten the breast fillet. This should only take a minute. This beautifully flattened chicken fillet is now ready for fast cooking. It will take no more than 5 minutes to cook. Either dip in egg and breadcrumbs and chopped herbs and gently fry in a mixture of butter and extra virgin olive oil, or brush with extra virgin olive oil and cook on a ridged grill plate.